Kamakailan lamang ay sobrang naging controversial nga si Janeline Mercado at ang kanyang husband na si Dennis Trillo. Sa kabila nga ng pagiging controversial ay pinakita naman ng mag-asawa na napakarami nilang ginagawa, negosyo at pagtatayo ng panibagong bahay. After 20 years in the industry, Dennis and I are trying new hats. This time as producer, as we formally put up our own production company called Brightburn Entertainment. We are very excited to this and just want to share with you these photos, our first ever official meeting as a team with no less than the Netflix Philippines. Thank you so much for Sir Vito and Beer and Louis for spending some time with us and for discussing opportunities we can explore in the future. Looking forward to working with all of you. After niya na ipinakita naman nila Janeline Mercado ang panibagong ang lupa na pagtatayuan ng kanilang panibagong bahay. So groundbreaking nga ito na parang pangalawang pagtatayo nila ng tahanan na ito. Kaya naman tila binibenta na nga at siguradong binibenta, kumpirmado na ang bahay nila Janeline Mercado kung saan for sure ito ang kanilang unang tahanan. Ito po ay nakapost sa Facebook page ng nagngangalang Honey Jane. Si Honey Jane ay hindi nakalagay kung ilan na yung kanyang followers, pero makikita doon na isa siya sa mga nagbebenta ng mga celebrity houses. So nakalagay dito, paunahan na lang po sa interested pre-owned house for sale owner Mr. Dennis Trillo and Miss Janeline Mercado. Fully furnished. Floor area 700 plus square meters, so malaki siya. Lot 531 square meters, swimming pool, 3 large car garage, aircon, 2 split 5 window, underground basement, maid's room, generator, water tanks, 1 toilet and bath. Sa ground floor naman, sub-zero refrigerator fixture, 2 bedroom sharing 1 toilet and bath, kitchen storage, dirty kitchen, 2 common toilet and bath, driver's quarter. Sa second floor, 3 bedrooms, 1 common toilet and bath, this dressing room, 2 bedrooms sharing common toilet and bath. Sa second floor naman, office area, bar, home theater, large master's bedroom, balcony, dressing room, master's toilet and bath. At syempre, para po doon sa mga mag-e-inquire, tawagan nyo lang po ang 099-5902-8623 or kaya ay i-visit nyo ang Facebook page ni Honey Jane para po makita nyo at maitanong nyo ang presyo. Kung magkano nga ba ang nasabing halaga ng bahay nila Dennis Trillo at Janeline Mercado. Well, sobrang laki na rin ang 700 square meter. Kaya naman sigurado na ang presyo ng bahay na ito ay nagkakahalaga ng, I don't know, pero yung dating kila Carla Estrada ay binibenta nila ng 50 million. Ito ay fully furnished at malaki siya. Kumbaga ay satisfying ang makakabili. Well, yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Into all credit to the rightful owners.